Nvidia just dropped something that's about to change how businesses actually operate. And I don't think people realize how big this is yet. This isn't a new chatbot, and it's not a new chip. This is Nvidia releasing the tools for AI that works completely on its own, no prompting, no babysitting, just running in the background handling real tasks. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why the biggest companies on earth are already using this. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so at GTC Taipei, Nvidia announced new software, open source models, and partnerships built for one specific thing: autonomous AI agents. And these aren't just for tech companies either. They're being built for engineering, healthcare, software development, and everyday business operations. And here's the actual headline you need to understand. This isn't just about new models being released. This is about AI that can now work on its own, long running, always on, without someone sitting there constantly telling it what to do next. Now, here's what that actually means for you. Up until now, most AI tools needed you to prompt them. You type something, it responds, you type again, it responds again, it's a back and forth. And honestly, that's useful, but it's not autonomous. What Nvidia just released is different. It's an open source blueprint that packages three things together: open models, an agent system, and a secure runtime environment. Think of it like this. Instead of hiring a freelancer who only works the moment you message them, you now have a system that shows up every single day, figures out what needs to get done, and just does it on its own without you checking in every 5 minutes. And this isn't some demo sitting in a lab somewhere either. Real companies are using this right now. One company is using NVIDIA's new system to run a fully autonomous AI engineer that actually executes chip design and verification work. And get this, NVIDIA itself is using the same technology to autonomously verify its own chip designs. Let that sink in for a second. NVIDIA is using its own AI to design and check its own chips. And it's not just them. Other massive companies are integrating this into their own workflows too. These are not small startups testing something out. These are some of the biggest companies on the planet, and they're not testing this, they're actually deploying it. So let's break down the actual technology real quick, because this is where it gets interesting. NVIDIA's new model behind all of this is a 550 billion parameter model, and it delivers frontier level intelligence to these long running agents across coding, research, and complex tasks, while running 5 times faster and up to 30% cheaper for complex work. Now, here's why that matters. A year ago, if you wanted an AI agent that could handle a complex multi-step task without losing track of what it was doing halfway through, you were mostly disappointed. The context window was too small. It would forget what it was doing and it would lose the thread completely. That problem is being solved fast. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's the part that actually matters most for business owners. Specifically, the reason most businesses haven't fully gone all in on AI agents yet comes down to one word: trust. Can it access files? It shouldn't. Will it send something it's not supposed to? What happens if it does something you never authorized? NVIDIA's answer to that is a secure, sandboxed environment built specifically for running these agents safely. It adds access controls, privacy protections, and operational guardrails around everything the agent does. It's basically like giving an AI agent a very specific set of keys. It can only go into the rooms you actually allow it into. And NVIDIA's CEO even said this system can serve as the policy engine for every single software company in the world going forward, meaning it defines the exact rules every AI agent has to follow. Inside your business, inside your tools, and inside your data. And here's something people are sleeping on: This isn't only about digital workflows. Nvidia also released a massive open source collection of physical AI tools for robotics, autonomous vehicles, vision AI, and industrial applications. One manufacturing company reduced their model training and deployment time by 67% just by using synthetic data generated from one of these tools. 67% in a manufacturing environment, that is not a small improvement, that is a massive one. And on top of that, NVIDIA's physical AI dataset has already surpassed 15 million downloads, meaning developers all over the world are already building on top of this stuff right now, today. So here's my honest take on all of this. The question isn't whether autonomous AI is coming to your industry, because it already came to the biggest industries first, and it's working its way down the stack as we speak. The businesses that figure this out early, that actually learn how to build these workflows and deploy these agents properly, are going to have a real operational edge over everyone else. And here's the thing. You don't need to understand what a 550 billion parameter model is, and you don't need to know what a mixture of experts architecture even means. What you actually need to know is which tasks in your business are repetitive, time-consuming, and rule-based, because those are your first automation targets. Those are exactly the kind of tasks these agents are built to handle. And look, this is exactly why I keep making these videos for you. The technology is already here, the major platforms are already integrating it, and the tools are being open sourced for anyone to use. The only thing left standing between where things are now and where they're headed is people actually using it. A year from now, the gap between businesses running autonomous AI and businesses still doing everything manually is only going to get wider. So if you've been on the fence about whether any of this actually applies to you, I'm telling you right now, it does, and it's moving faster than most people realize. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.